Welcome, here I've got LG G8s ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on this button from the right. By just tapping here we can manage the photo size, and here we can pick from the ratio connected with the quality of the picture in megapixels and the size. As you can see, you can pick here whatever you need. So we have 4 ratios and different qualities. I of course suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is 12 megapixels to 4:3 ratio, 9 and 2 megapixels to 16:9 ratio, 8 and 1 megapixels to 18:9 ratio, and 9 and 7 megapixels to 1 and 1. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.